Hi guys, thank you so much for such an overwhelming response on the Learn and Intern program. I guess that a lot of you have doubts regarding this whole initiative, so I thought I'll come forward and clear all your doubts through this video. So, this is Kanishka Thakur, and some of you might know me as someone who takes career related interviews, counsels people, or a lot of you know me as someone who gives work from home jobs. Now, the reason why I'm stressing on the work from home part is that I started with this initiative in this lockdown, and I had a lot of people coming forward to give the screening, that is the interview test, but very few getting selected. And then eventually I realized that I have connected with a bunch of enthusiastic people, but they still don't know what is the skill set required to get selected for the same. There were other work from home tasks also which turned out to be scams, which were not from my end. So people came up and started telling me that who should we trust and when can we not fall a prey to. So I personally got myself involved into this, and I thought, why not tell people about what really work from home jobs are and what can you do to also get into the field of digital marketing, since most of my work from home jobs are related to digital marketing. And I see that there is this, outburst of people wanting to know what digital marketing really is and what strategic marketing is. So I thought that why not tell people that what work from home job is and what digital marketing on field actually is. So here are some of the questions that I've been answering. So the first question that I'll encounter is that will you be teaching yourself? So if you know me since a very long time, I do take tuitions also. And my method of teaching is not something which I'll open a book and be teaching you something. My method of teaching is guiding. I'll just be solving doubts and telling you how and what you should be studying. So, what I'm going to do is I'll be giving some of the free and paid courses as well, and I'll be giving you a deadline and timeline to do it. And then I will be teaching each and every module in a proper way and solve your doubts as well. Another added advantage is that I'll be calling some guests who will be clearing all your doubts regarding the same, and you'll be giving a live demonstration of all these work from home and digital marketing tasks that you'll ever wanted to learn. So coming to the next question, how much time do we have to dedicate in a day, and do we have any specific work hours? You just have to dedicate like 1 or 2 hours a day, that's it. And you don't have any work hours, it's flexible. I'll just be giving a deadline, you do whenever you want to do. And I just hope this helps, but please don't take holidays without informing. One very important thing is please keep me informed. In the first 2 months, whenever you are being, taught or given a work from home task, we will also be explaining how it needs to be done. So you will get tasks wherein you learn how it is done. Later, you will deploy to different companies or maybe work with me on a paid basis. But even in these 2 months, for example, if you're given a task and you ace it, now I know that you are best in this job, you are hired immediately along while you are learning itself. So I hope this motivates you to participate more. And who all can apply? If I'm working, can I still be a part of it because I want to explore? Well, now exploring is a very crucial part to find your ikigai. If you don't know what ikigai is, don't worry, I'll be coming up with a video soon. But exploring is a very crucial part, and don't worry, anybody can participate, like anyone from any age group. And also, even if you have a full-time job, you can still participate, because even I have a full-time job. So we will be doing all of this in the night time, like when we are all chilling. So it's not going to be a class wherein you have to sit with your books and study. So just don't worry about it. I'll take the last question for the day. I know you all might have more doubts, so if you'll have it, you all can ask in the comment section below. I'll be answering all of them. But I'm going to answer this very, very important question. I don't have a laptop. Can I still apply? Guys, let me tell you, even if you don't have your own phone, I don't mind. It's just that I'll be giving you tasks, and I'll be also explaining how to do things when you don't have a phone or laptop. Trust me, I don't have a laptop. I just use my phone and I do things. These are some tips and tricks that I really want to tell you people. See, when you're doing a work from home job, your client doesn't know how you are getting it completed. So this is all that I want to tell you people, that don't worry, I'm going to tell you everything that needs to be done. Just enroll, and I hope we have a fun learning experience also. So yeah, thank you so much, and I don't think I have any more questions left. But if you'll have any more, as I mentioned, please ask in the comment section below. And I'm so excited. So thank you so much for watching this. Please do share it with your friends. And again, if you've not registered yet, go and register for the Learn and Intern program. Thank you.